Welcome back, friend. This is lesson 3 of our journey through the first 50 Linux commands, and today we're learning how to actually move. So far, Sarah has figured out where she is and what's around her, but now she's spotted her notes file tucked inside the documents folder and she needs to step inside. 2 little letters, C, D, and suddenly she has total navigation freedom. So what does CD actually do? It moves you, and honestly, that's it. It doesn't open the folder, it doesn't show you what's inside, it doesn't change a single file. Think of it like walking from your kitchen into your living room. Nothing in the house has changed, but you have. You're standing somewhere new, and whatever you do next happens from that new spot. That's why CD is so important. Almost every other command works based on where you currently are. Now, unlike pwd and ls, which happily work all by themselves, CD needs you to tell it where to go. The pattern is simple: type CD, a space, and the name of the folder you want to step into. Watch what happens here. Sarah types CD documents, hits enter, and notice the prompt itself changes. It now shows Mach-E-C documents. That's your confirmation. And here's a little surprise. CD doesn't print anything when it works. Silence means success. The prompt is doing the talking. Now here's something worth pausing on. When you tell CD where to go, you actually have 3 different styles of writing that destination. The first is relative, just the folder name, like CD documents, which starts from wherever you currently stand. The second is absolute. It begins with a slash, like CD shot a home learner, and works from anywhere on the system. And the third is shortcuts. Tilde for home, 2 dots to step up 1 level, a dash to jump back to where you just were. All 3 are worth knowing because you'll reach for each one at different moments. Let's zoom in on those 3 shortcuts because they really are the ones you'll lean on daily. CD tilde, or just CD by itself, whisks you straight back to your home folder from anywhere, no matter how deep you've wandered. CD dot dot steps you up 1 level into the parent folder and you can chain it. Dot dot slash dot dot jumps up 2. And CD dash is your back button. It bounces you between the last 2 places you visited. Oh, and one quick gift while we're here. Press Tab after typing part of a folder name and the terminal finishes it for you. Fewer typos, less typing. Let's see all of this in action. Meet Mia. It's Wednesday morning and she's editing CSS files for a website. She starts with pwd just to confirm where she is, home. Then she jumps straight to her project with CD tilde slash project slash website, runs ls to peek inside, and steps into the CSS folder. When she needs to dash back home in a hurry, she just types CD, 1 word, 2 letters, and she's back at the front door. That's pwd, ls, and CD working together like a tiny navigation toolkit. Now, here's a little trap that catches almost everyone at least once: folders with spaces in their names. If Mia tries to type CD my documents just like that, the shell gets confused. It thinks my is the folder and documents is some extra instruction, so it throws back no such file or directory. The fix is simple: wrap the name in quotes, CD my documents, and the shell treats it as one piece. That's it. One small habit that saves a lot of head scratching. And here's where everything you've learned starts working together. Think of pwd, ls, and CD as a little trio that handles every move you'll ever make in the terminal. Before you move, pwd checks where you are. That's check and move. Before picking a destination, ls shows you what's available, look and go. And the moment you arrive somewhere new, ls again, just to see what's around. Go and look. That rhythm right there is how every Linux session flows. All right, your turn. Open up a terminal and try these 3 little exercises. They'll take about 5 minutes, and each one builds on the last. First, step into your Documents folder with CD documents, then use pwd and ls to confirm where you landed. Next, find your way back home 3 different ways: CD dot dot, CD tilde, or just CD by itself. All 3 doors lead to the same room. And finally, the fun one: hop into Downloads, then type CD dash to bounce back, and CD dash again to return. It's a toggle between your last two folders, and once you feel it click, you'll use it forever. And just like that, Lesson 03 is complete. Think about what you've gained. PWD tells you where you are, LS shows you what's there, and CD lets you move. That's the trinity of navigation, and it works on any Linux system in the world. Next up, we'll meet Tree. Imagine LS, but it draws you a whole map of folders at once. Sarah's about to see her Documents folder in a way she's never seen it before. I'll see you in Lesson 04.